Hello all, welcome to my channel Learning Oasis. So in today's video what we are going to see is how to copy a table from PDF to Excel. So normally, this is the file that I have. I have about 24 pages and about 2000 different rows. So if I'm trying to copy it from PDF to Excel, uh, just let's try what happens, right? So I copy it and then paste it. Everything gets copied in a single cell, so you won't get it in the proper table format that you require. So for that you can use this simple trick using Power Query. Or just go to the PDF file that you want and then open it in the web. So for instance, I'm using the Edge browser. So once I do that, you will have the file opened here. Now just copy this URL and go back to Excel and click on the data tab. And in the data tab, you will see an option which says from web. Click on that and here paste the URL and then hit OK. So this is what you will see. Now double click on this file and you will see a table display. So this is the basic representation of the number of pages that are there and the number of tables that are available in each page, right? So this is what we have got. From here, let's see how to move this data to the Excel sheet. So two different scenarios here, right? So you want the entire 2000 rows to be moved to Excel at once. So for that, what you need to do is just need to go to this data column, click on the double arrow and then hit OK. So this will showcase the entire 200 rows of columns that are available in the PDF. Or in case if you want a specific table from a specific page, what you need to do is I'm just going back to the original column. So this is what I see. Let's say from page 10, I want the table that is available. So what I need to do is click on the filter, go to page 10, select it, hit OK. So this is what I will see. Again, I need to click on this double arrow in the data column and hit OK. So this will show me only the data that is available in page number 10. Okay. And there was only one table in page number 10. So we selected that. So next step, you need to go to the close and load option that is available in the menu and then click on close and load. So it will run the query and here we go. So this is what you will get. The data will be copied to the Excel sheet in the form of a table. So all these columns, if you don't need, just need to select it and then delete it. So this is how, or rather this is the simplest way of copying a table from PDF to an Excel sheet. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you all.